I'm gonna just, I want to pick him up to him.
Water in it.
No, I'm saying like.
What? Oh my god. Oh.
Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, Josiah. Like, bro, can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me, bro?
We ones that be clogging toilets here.
I don't know what.
What are you doing?
I'm and they just freaking like.
What the fuck, Angel?
I didn't mean that.
There's nothing in here though. Like, look.